What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna do a quick review. This is a product called JNA Sparkle. I picked this stuff up in Vegas at one of the malls in Las Vegas on the Strip. This is a jewelry cleaner that actually cleans just about any metal. It actually cleans plastic too, and lenses for your glasses. So there's a couple things it does clean. So just to give you guys a heads up, online at jnasparkle.com. This stuff is very expensive. This 4-ounce jar online is selling for about $250. There's an 8-ounce for like $650. Now, would I recommend buying this online? Negative. I got it from Vegas. Actually got the whole, I guess, a combo package deal. I paid about $100 for it. So that goes to tell you online marketing is very strong. But anyway, the stuff, from what I've cleaned, the jewelry, it works pretty good. But when I'm actually here, I wanted to try it out on something different here. I'm going to try to clean these rally wheels. These things, they're not that bad, but they do have some oxidation, as you can see right here. So we're going to try to remove that. This piece right here, we're going to try to get that cleaned up and do an overall review. Now, since it's so expensive, you really don't have to use a lot. You really just need just a finger. So I've just got my finger right here. Let's get a little bit more, and I'm just gonna put some on that'll give a little bit more. Let's see, that's not a lot. That actually was too much. So I'm gonna apply that, and I'm applying that with it's a basic old waxing pad. So you just scrub it on, and I don't know what the outcome of this is going to be. We're going to see if it actually works. There's a lot of products out here that's cheaper that does the same thing, but I spent $100 and I don't use it as much, and we're going to see how well it does. So basically you just apply the paste, and I guess you just rub it off. Now, I used to use Nevadol on these wheels. Nevadol does the trick pretty good, but since I'm here, might as well try this stuff. And again, for the price that they're selling it for online, I'm giving it 2 thumbs down. So this is not for anyone to go buy it because it's too expensive. But the sales pitch in the mall was very convincing. So I got it applied, I got it all rubbed in, and I'm just going to rub it off. Actually, I can actually use the other side of this. I got an old bandana. All right, so let's see what this can do. Oh man, that's not bad at all. Show you guys the difference.
Hey, I think it'll work.
Let's see. I don't have it before, but anyway, it actually works. It's actually doing a great job. So, will I be using this on my wheels a lot? Probably not, because it's expensive. This is really a jewelry cleaner. I don't want to be using it on the wheels as much, but as far as removing oxidation, it does a great job. So let me get that center cap as well. It's always a problem area. Let's see if we can get in there. Sorry about the finger. Man, this stuff is working. So I'm trying to get my $100 worth. But to be honest with you, it does a great job on jewelry. I mean, this stuff, man, it knocks tarnish, oxidation. If you got an old piece of jewelry, this stuff will bring it back to life. I can confirm that. That is a true statement. It doesn't scratch the metal at all. The way they was doing it on the presentation, it was actually done with actual paper towel. So yeah, it works. Will I be doing this a lot? No. This is probably one of the hardest parts of cleaning any vehicle is the wheels. If you got any chrome wheels, alloy, or anything. But anyway, look at it. No water necessary. This stuff is good. Only a couple pieces of metal I need to clean. So, anyway, leave your review.